Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all are doing well. Let's start the recipe. Chicken 750 grams. Salt to taste. Red pepper powder 1/2 tablespoons. Coriander powder 1/2 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger garlic. Red chili flakes 1/2 tablespoon. Crushed cumin 3/4 tablespoon. Crushed coriander 3/4 tablespoon. Bay leaves 2. Cinnamon sticks 2. Few petals of star anise. Green cardamom 4. Cloves 1 teaspoon. Black peppercorn 1 teaspoon. Mix it. Yogurt 1 and 1/2 cup. Mix well. Add 1 lemon juice. Marinate it for 6 to 8 hours. In 2 liters of water, add 1 tablespoon of dried plums, 1 inch of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 tablespoon cloves, 2 to 3 star anise. Salt to taste. Add 750 grams of soaked and washed rice. Cook for 5 minutes. In a pot, add marinated chicken with 1 cup of water. Add green chilies. 4 tablespoons of oil. Add 2 crispy golden onions. Add rice. In 1/2 teaspoon of orange color, add 2 to 3 groups of Cura essence. Spread on rice. Spread brown onions. Simmer for 45 minutes. Alhamdulillah. Aromatic, delicious, ginger-licking Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is ready to serve. Add Hyderabadi Dum Biryani to your Eid feast menu and earn lots of appreciation from your guests and family. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care.